Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist. In this video today, I'm going to do a tutorial and this is a halo eye makeup tutorial. Before we begin, I'll quickly show the brushes that I will be using for this tutorial. So the first and most important brush in any eye makeup look is eyeshadow blending brush. This is pack 391 brush. This is a small pencil brush, Pro Arte Pe29, Pro Arte PF01. And the eyeshadow palette that I'll be using for this tutorial is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. So before we begin, I want to explain what exactly is a halo eye. So halo eye makeup, it is also known as 3D eye or spotlight eye makeup. So this gives like a spotlight to the eye and it makes the eye look bigger and brighter and more open and wide awake. The basic eye looks are often done in V shape. So in this look, we extend that shape, we take it all over to the inner corner. Let me show you how. I'm going to take this shade for transition. I've already prepped my eyelid with the concealer. Now I'm going to apply this transition shade which I have picked up. So normally the basic eye looks, how it is done, you have to do it in the same way. Take it in a V shape, but instead of like stopping over here, take it right up to this inner corner. So you have to put the transition shade in the outer corner, inner corner, and then connect these two. So you have to leave this center space of the lid and just keep blending the outer corner and the inner corner. Now the center part which is left, there we have to give that 3D halo effect. And here I'm going to use a concealer. This is the Wet n Wild concealer. I'm going to apply it in the center, just like how you do a cut crease. Here you have to only apply it in the center of the eyes. I've taken this concealer on this Pro Arte PF01 brush. In the center of the lids, I'll be applying this shade. Okay, so now I have applied this metallic shade on the center of the eyelids. So this is called the halo effect. Now because still looks like a line on both the ends where the concealer was applied and that halo effect was done, to blend it, you just have to softly blend the edges where it looks like a line. Do it very softly so that the color and the metallic and other shades don't move away and it looks like blended as one. A mascara. Next I'm applying this shade to highlight the inner corner. I'm going to take this pencil brush and apply these two shades on the lower lash line. So this is how a very easy halo eye makeup look is done. You can add more colors, you can try different colors in combination, but the basic idea remains the same, where you have to use deeper, darker colors on outer and inner corner, and in the center should be a lighter shade where you apply the concealer and then you apply the metallic or any glitter on the center of the eyelids to give this halo eye effect. So that is it from this finished eye makeup look. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more such makeup tutorials, makeup tips and skincare related videos. You can find a lot of these videos from the description box down below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.